ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಸೆ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 2 in 1 ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟೀಸ್. A pleasant morning to everyone. On this constitutional day, I am here to share a bit of information about our constitution and fundamental duties. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾನ ನೀವು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಇದನ್ನು ಎಸೆ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಎಸೆ ರೈಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಸ್ಪೀಚಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಅ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟನ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ that are recognized by all individuals living in a country. It determines the people's connection with the government. It is the foundation for the country's governance and democratic values. It was passed by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949 and entered into force on January 26, 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is well known for his important part of drafting the Constitution, which was the result of 299 people's hard efforts. The Indian Constitution is the longest in the world. It contains 12 schedules and 448 articles divided into 25 sections. The fundamental duties are added to Constitution of India in the year 1976. They were added in the 42nd Amendment of the Indian Constitution. The 42nd Amendment is considered to be a historical amendment implemented by the Constitution of India. The citizens of India are supposed to respect the Constitution. All the citizens are bound to obey the national flag and anthem. The fundamental duties ask the citizens to safeguard public property. It has a provision that deals with the situation to protect the culture of India. These fundamental duties were added upon the recommendation of the Swan Singh Committee. There is a total of 11 fundamental duties. Initially, there were 10 fundamental duties and 11th was added in the year of 2002. It is our duties as responsible citizens that were abide by these laws and carry out duties. Rights and duties are the two faces of the same coin. Rights without duties have no value or no significance. Part 4A, through the 42nd Amendment Act of Constitution in 1976, 10 fundamental duties were included. Later in 2002, through the 86th Amendment Act of Constitution, 11 fundamental duties was added. They are to respect the Constitution, national flag and national anthem, to follow the noble ideas that inspired our national struggle for freedom, to protect the integrity of India, to defend the motherland when called upon to do so, to promote the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, to preserve our rich heritage, to protect and improve the national environment, to develop the scientific temper and the spirit of inquiry, the safeguard public property and to give up violence, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activities. The parents or the guardians should provide an opportunity for education to their children between 6 and 14 years. Unlike fundamental rights, there is no protection from a court of law with regard to duties. However, there will be punishment under law for those who violate their duties. 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 added 10 fundamental duties to the Indian Constitution. 86th Amendment Act 2002 later added 11th fundamental duty to the list. Swaran Singh Committee in 1976 recommended fundamental duties, the necessity of which was left during the internal emergency of 1975 to 1977. Fundamental duties basically imply the moral obligations of all citizens of a country. Today, there are 11 fundamental duties in India which are written Part 4A of the Constitution to promote patriotism and strengthen the unity of India. The fundamental duties promote a spirit of patriotism and to uphold the unity of India and concern the individuals and the nation. In addition, according to the 86th Constitutional Amendment in 2002, it is the duty of the people of India to adopt to make India a safer place to live, to be clean and make the surroundings clean and not to hurt anybody physically and mentally. In India, as citizens, we are granted fundamental duties which are like the guiding principles of a responsible and harmonious society. Understanding these rights and duties is crucial for us as we navigate our roles in shaping the nation's future. Fundamental rights are the special freedom given to us by the government. For us, these rights means that we have the opportunity to learn, express ourselves and be treated fairly. On the flip side, fundamental duties are like the responsibilities we carry to contribute positively to our society. Duties include respecting our nation's national symbols, promoting harmony, and protecting the environment. We must recognize that these rights and duties go hand in hand. Just as we enjoy our rights, it is equally important to fulfill our duties to maintain a balance. By understanding and embracing our fundamental rights and duties, we not only empower ourselves but also contribute to the collective well-being of our nation. As the future leaders and citizens of India, it is our responsibility to uphold these principles, creating a society where everyone can thrive and live in harmony. Fundamental duties in India Constitution can be understood as a way to proclaim the fundamental rights. Indian citizens have moral duties that contain encouraging patriotic spirit. According to Article 51A, in part of 4A of the Constitution, there are 11 fundamental duties for every Indian citizen. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಸ್ಸೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹಾಕುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ದಿರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರಗತಿಯ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪಾಠಗಳ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಹ ನೀವು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಹ ಹಂಚ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.